Welcome to Honor Restorations, emergency restoration services in Arlington, Fairfax, Alexandria, Manassas Park, Falls Church, and Prince William counties. Understanding water damage. Water damage is one of the most common challenges Virginia homeowners faces, yet many remain unsure of its implications and the necessary steps to address it. Whether it's due to heavy rainfall, plumbing mishaps, or other unforeseen events, understanding water damage is crucial to preserve the structural integrity of a home and the health of its inhabitants. Take these steps first to address water damage. Shut off the water to the property if possible. Contact Honor Restoration for assistance. And remember that water can reach unexpected areas. Stopping the water flow is crucial for minimizing damage. To prevent further harm and mold growth, ensure that all water is extracted and use air movers and dehumidifiers. Don't underestimate the ability of water to seep into hidden spaces like behind walls and fixtures. Check these areas and relocate or remove items to prevent damage. Recent events where Honor Restorations was called: basement flooded from hot water system, broken crawlspace ventilation unit, small hole in the outpipe from the dishwasher, bathtub overflow, wet area mold decontamination and remediation, unattended fourth-story apartment flooded from the unit above, and an internal pipe burst at the fitting causing catastrophic damage. Honor Restorations, your trusted restoration experts. Thank you for your interest in Honor Restorations. We specialize in providing top-notch restoration services for both insured and non-insured events. Our team is well-equipped to collaborate with all insurance carriers, ensuring a seamless process for you. Rest assured, our technicians are extremely trained by the prestigious ICRC, and we have been successfully completing restoration claims since 1997. You can trust our experience and expertise to handle your restoration needs effectively. For more details or to get in touch, please reach out to our friendly staff by phone or email. We look forward to assisting you. Honor Restorations, we're happy to be this year's major sponsors for the Babe Ruth baseball event held in Centuryville, Virginia.